Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today, we're going to clone the design of the Nykaa mobile app. As you can see on the right side of the screen, we have the original interface of the Nykaa mobile app as our reference. On the left side, we have opened our chosen design tool. We'll be using Figma to create the design. We'll make banners, scrollers, and sliders, all with Figma. Let's get started without any further delay. First, we'll design a banner. We'll add text elements, vectors, and an image within it. The dimensions will be displayed below for reference. Next, we'll create individual images for the image scroller block. We'll create a frame, add a text layer, and insert an image. We'll duplicate this to create multiple images showing multiple categories. After that, we'll add a banner showing an offer. We'll duplicate these elements to make another one. And we have another banner. The dimensions are mentioned below. Now, we'll make a banner showing text. Then, we'll move on to grid items. We'll create individual images for a 3x4 grid block. To do this, we'll select a frame with 12 blocks and add images with text layers inside. Next, we'll include another banner showing some text details. Then we'll create individual images for another image scroller block. For this, we'll select a frame, add an image, and include a text. Next, we'll add another grid item below that. We'll duplicate the previous grid for this. Following that, we'll add another grid item. Before that, there's another banner, so we'll design it accordingly. And we have another banner. Then we'll create individual images for the image scroller block. We'll select a frame and add images as we did before to make multiple image blocks. Next, we'll add another grid item below that. We'll duplicate the previous grid for this. After that, we'll have another banner. This will be an animated GIF actually. We can convert this into a GIF using separate online tools like Jitter. Let's create another banner showing a title. Then we'll have another image scroller. Next, we'll create 4 blocks of images together for the image scroller blocks. Next, we'll include another banner showing some text details. Then we'll create a few individual images for a grid block with a 3x2 layout. I will be uploading the original full-length video later. You can check that for a more detailed view. Lastly, we'll design another banner. That's it for this video. In the next video, we'll see how to export the design from Figma. Thank you.